For the next 30 days, I'm going to try dropshipping on eBay on a brand new store to see if success in the business model is still possible. But to get started, we have to pick a niche of products to start listing on our store. Because we want this store to blow up as fast as possible, I'm going to pick a niche that's a bit more trendy, so that's why I thought of selling back-to-school products. Today is July 17th, and for the next month, a lot of moms are probably going to be doing back-to-school shopping, and some of that's going to be done on eBay, so we've got to take advantage by selling backpacks, pencil pouches, markers, and much more. eBay dropshipping doesn't necessarily require you to pick a specific niche, so I'm almost certain we're going to expand to more products over time. But for now, this is just the general direction we're going to start in, and all the products are going to be dropshipped from Walmart and TJ Maxx's website. Not wasting any time, I got right to work creating an eBay account for my company, Backpackbound LLC, I formed based out of Wyoming, one of the few states that allows you to form an anonymous LLC with no names attached. To do this, it cost me $100, and I was able to start a company in Wyoming without living there by using a registered agent service. The only reason I went crazy forming an LLC and attaching that to my eBay profile is to provide a layer of anonymity between me and eBay since, well, I've been banned like multiple times in the past. I want to avoid giving eBay information about me like my social security number or address where they might recognize the info and automatically ban my account. So by setting up the eBay account with a random LLC based out of Wyoming and using an EIN number instead of a social security number, I should be in the clear. The rest of day one, I put together my general eBay profile and listed my first 10 items directly from Walmart and TJ Maxx's website. This is my listing. This is Walmart's. Here's another one of my listings, and here's the original item on TJ Maxx. Same product, mine just cost 20% more. Why do people fall for this, you ask? Well, the truth is, a large percentage of shoppers don't go around to other websites to find an item for the cheapest possible price. Another strategy people do is dropship from sites like AliExpress or Alibaba that have terrible listing quality. Then you make the description and photos of the listing more high quality when you post it on eBay for an increased markup. This strategy works great for quick money, but often you get angry customers since shipping times from China are extremely long. No risk, no Rari, baby. So let's start listing a ton of items on our eBay profile from AliExpress. Using AI editors in Photoshop, I was able to make AliExpress's listing pictures more professional. Consider this my job application to work as a graphic designer for AliExpress, because I just turned these pretty crappy looking background photos into pictures like this that look way more professional. We're officially 2 days into this eBay challenge with 14 listings on our profile, and we just recently got our first sale. Boom, $54.04 in revenue. And that sale came from 2 12-packs of cat food we posted from Walmart. Our cost from Walmart came out to $39.22, and after 10% eBay fees, we profited $9.44, which on a $54 order is a 17% profit margin. Not great, but for just ordering cat food from Walmart to this guy's house, I'll take the free money. I kept listing more items on eBay over the weekend and into the next week, also going live on my YouTube channel. What's up, guys? Good to see you. What's up? We got a lot of people in the chat. It's exciting. It's exciting. In a 7-day period of starting my eBay profile, I had 50 listings to show for it. And in terms of sales, boom, another item just sold for $132.08 in revenue. We're about to take things to the next level by clicking the top link down below in the description and reinvesting just $1 of our profit into this eBay dropshipping software that helps you find winning products. So right now, we are on the website ZIKAnalytics.com, and when we log in, you can see that they have a ton of products listed that are currently selling for more money on eBay than on sites like Walmart, Amazon, or AliExpress. Starting things off with Amazon, you can see ZIK Analytics found another eBay dropshipper selling these photo frames for $15.99, and 9 units already sold. But when you click here, the product is found on Amazon for $6.99 each, which means after expenses, we would profit $6.46 per photo frame sold. I then continue listing the Amazon products found by ZIK Analytics on my eBay store that have already proven to get sales. Now, instead of listing random products and hoping they sell, we're listing ones that we already know other eBay dropshippers are selling for a profit. The website's front page gets updated daily with new trending products, but now let's switch the seller settings so we're dropshipping from Walmart to eBay, and let's start listing items like this Lego Aston Martin car that has a seller that already sold 12 units at $77.99 each when it's selling for $44.99 on Walmart. That's a profit of $21.78 per unit. And now that we've also listed the Lego car on our eBay store, you can actually save products you find from ZIK Analytics to a folder so that when the item sells, you can find it in the My Products section of the website and fulfill the order to secure a profit. For now, I'm doing all of my dropshipping manually, and today alone, we have 3 orders to fulfill that brought in $140.97 in sales. And all I do to fulfill orders is, for example, for this weightlifting trap bar that I just sold, I go to the item on Walmart, put in my cart, card information with the customer's address, of course, and order the product for $53.37 after taxes, making us a slim profit of $6.30 after expenses. Then I mark the order as shipped and add the tracking number as soon as Walmart provides one. With products like that where I realize the profit margins are super slim, I end up marking the item up $2 or $3, so the next time it sells, I make a little more money. The margins were slightly higher with the other products I fulfilled, earning a total profit of $21.46 on day 13 of this challenge. Literally all of the sales on products today came from items we listed using ZIK Analytics, and that's just facts. So if you guys want to get started with eBay dropshipping, be sure to check them out at the top link down below in the description for a 7-day $1 trial. You won't regret it. We're currently sitting at total sales of $393.61, but with sales increasing daily, I have a feeling we can reach well into the 4 figures by the end of this challenge. eBay lets all of its sellers list up to 250 items for free every month, and for this month in August, we still have 130 free listings. Over the next few days, the goal is to get 130 more listings on our eBay profile, bringing us from the 152 different items we have for sale right now to nearly 300 listings. It's been roughly another week, and we're currently sitting at $825.21 in sales, and I'm not gonna lie, throughout the last week, I haven't really put too much effort into listing more products. We're currently sitting at the same amount of listings, but sales have still been coming in kind of like crazy. Right now, we have one more order to fulfill on the day, but I did have to cancel an order earlier for this 10 I sold for $175 since it was out of stock on Walmart's website. I hope that doesn't affect my eBay seller standing too much, but it definitely reminds me that I should be checking up on my listings every day to make sure the supplier still has the item in stock without any price changes. Still, with some of this administrative work, eBay dropshipping only takes about 30 to 60 minutes per day if you're not listing products. And as for this order we have to fulfill, it looks like we're gonna profit $7.39 after expenses. With eBay fees on this order of $5.69 or 15% of the order subtotal, they're really eating into my profit margins. The number of sellers on the eBay platform has gone down from a peak of 25 million in 2014 to now just 18 million. This steady decline in sellers we've seen over many years can be marked by eBay's increase in final value fees, going from 10% to 13.25% unless you buy a store subscription, in which case with the basic plan you're paying 11.7% in fees, 10.7% if you buy the premium store subscription, or if you spend $300 monthly on the Anchor store subscription, you're only spending 9.5% in fees. But this only applies to your first $2,500 in sales, after which you pay 2.35% in additional fees. Not a great deal if you ask me. Although these high fees may boost eBay's profitability in the short term, losing sellers is just not a good look. Now, although eBay has its problems, eBay dropshipping has still been a pretty lucrative opportunity. It is currently 11:07 p.m. on day 21 of this challenge, and today we have 4 orders to fulfill with total sales of over $900. After a while selling on the platform, eBay releases your funds right away, but in the beginning, to combat potential issues with cash flow, you can use a credit card to buy all of your products and pay it off every month once you get paid by eBay. That way you also get the 2 or 3% cash back that a lot of credit cards offer, adding to your profit margin. Or you could take it a step further and sign up for a new credit card that has a bonus once you spend a certain amount of money and use your eBay business to reach that threshold. There's a ton of ways to make this hustle more lucrative. After not posting many new products for a week, I got right back to work posting items for sale to take advantage of the free listings eBay was giving me. One more strategy I found to find winning products is on ZIK Analytics. You can actually spy on other top dropshippers, see the products they're selling, and if you see this little check mark in the corner next to the item with a Walmart, Amazon, or AliExpress logo, that means ZIK Analytics found the product on another website. Like for example, one of the top dropshippers is selling these men's t-shirts from Walmart for a $2.83 profit after expenses, and he's already sold 203 units. Then for products like these condoms, for example, that the software can't find a supplier for, you can try and search the image by Google and go through websites until you find one to dropship from for a profit. Then make sure to save that website link to a list so you can go back and order it if you make a sale. This strategy, along with using the software to search for products by trending eBay niches, helped me use all of the free listings I had for the month and have my top day of sales. $22 million in 3 fucking hours! It definitely wasn't quite that much, but our top day of sales came out to $151.75, and after expenses, we're looking at a total profit of $29.13. It is now day 24 of this challenge, and you guys can see we used all of the free listings available with a total of 287 items now for sale. We are also now officially over $1,000 in sales, and the last 3 days, we've earned close to $100 or more in revenue each day. My lifelong dream of being an entrepreneur is now in motion. Since 2.5 years ago, when I dropped out of college to do business business and YouTube full time, I've had a lot of failures and learning lessons so far. The truth is, starting any business, you're gonna fail a lot more times than you succeed. Even some of the most successful entrepreneurs that we see today experience many failures in the beginning.
4 years after starting, SpaceX rolled out its first rocket, but the first 3 test flights failed to reach orbit. 8 weeks later, Musk bet the company on another flight.
If that 4th launch hadn't worked, that would have been it, and we would have not had the resources to mount a 5th.
It's entrepreneurs' ability to adapt and refusal to give up even when things get difficult that eventually makes them a success. And if anyone ever tells you that there's a way to get rich quick or a certain business model is easy money, check the links in their description because chances are they have a $500 course to sell you. With that being said, it's been nearly 30 days since we started this challenge, and right now we're sitting at total orders of $1,256.73. But how much profit do we actually make on those sales? Well, with total eBay fees of $179.32 and total product cost of $801.31, it eats into our profit quite a bit. I also sold a couple items through eBay promoted listings by setting an ad rate of 3% on every sale generated, which cost me another $15.19. That brings our total profit for this video to $279.76. If you also want to add in the $18.85 we made from credit card rewards. We could also knock that profit down $100 if you want to add in the cost for the LLC, but it's definitely not something you guys need, and for the first month of a business that you guys could start for essentially $0, I would say that's a win. And I guess we could also subtract $1 of our profit for the ZIK Analytics software you guys can check out at the top link below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end up posting this video just a few days early before a 30-day time limit is up, so sales might end up even higher, but if this video can smash 2,500 likes on it, I'll do a part 2 where I document my first 60 days eBay dropshipping. Peace out.